What's going on, everybody? It's Andrew from Rogue Overland. We're going to take you through a quick review of an awesome new product available from Tembo Tusk, the Adventure Skottle. So with the Adventure Skottle, you've got the same exact material that's used to make its big brother, the full-size Skottle. The difference with this one is you're looking at a 12-inch surface, and it's substantially lighter in weight. It's only got a few components. So you got your legs here, your cooking surface. I opted to use the jet boil cooking system. They also make it compatible with the MSR Dragonfly setup. So either of those are an option for you. And then you've got your Blue Ridge Overland gear carry bag, which holds everything inside real nicely. I chose to do the jet boil setup on mine, so I'm going to show you how that sets up. It's real simple. This just clips into place here, real easy. You take your three legs, put them in, tighten these down. You're going to set this up, put your fuel in, and you're all set to cook. We like to give you the pros and cons after using the gear out here while we're actually in the field. One of the best pros of this thing is the weight. We're talking about just over 2 pounds all in, so everything included. Another great thing is this carrying case from Blue Ridge Overland gear. It keeps the legs in here, you keep your fuel source in here, and obviously you're keeping your cooking element in here. As far as cons go, if you even want to call it a con, it's substantially smaller than the full-size Skottle. So we're recommending this for 2 people. If you're getting into cooking for a whole family, this is not going to be your best option. You're going to want to use the Skottle for that. And as with everything that Tembo Tusk makes, we're talking about made in the USA gear, great quality, and a great team behind the product. Now, make sure you head over and check out the review on the Tembo Tusk camp table on our channel, as well as the review of the full-size Skottle. If you want to get your own setup, the table and the Adventure Skottle are both available at tembotusk.com. As always, make sure you follow us on all of our social media accounts at Rogue Overland. We appreciate it if you subscribe below to our YouTube channel. We can keep these great videos coming for you. Make sure you head over to our website. It's rogueoverland.com. We've got some great gear on there. The hat that I'm wearing is available on there. We've got some decals, information on the rigs that you see behind us. And we hope to see you soon, and we thank you for watching.